See, inquiry, quotation, sales order. We call it as sales document. Delivery, we call delivery document. Invoice, we call invoice document. So up to this, we call sales document. Inquiry, quotation, sales order is sales document. Up to this, we call it as what? Sales document. And this is delivery document. And this is billing document. You can take in front of delivery document, in front of invoice, billing document. Okay. Over. So inquiry, quotation, sales order in our standard process, we call sales document. Delivery is delivery document. Invoice is billing document. Okay, take this sales document. It is a document which consists of sales related information, bracket. Say, what is sales document? It is a document which consists of sales related information, bracket, customer information, material information, quantity information, pricing, terms and conditions, delivery dates, all these sales related information. So what is sales document? It is a document which consists of sales related information. Example, customer information, material information, quantity information, pricing, terms and conditions, delivery dates. Over. Okay. Next, take this structure of sales document. Structure of sales document. Take heading structure of sales document. Structure of sales document is divided into three parts. Structure of sales document is divided into three parts. Structure of sales document is divided into three parts. Header data, item data, schedule line data. Structure of sales document is divided into three parts: header data, item data, schedule line data. Structure of sales document is divided into three parts: header data, item data, schedule line data. Okay. Header data is the data. Take header data. Header data is the data which is applicable to all the line items. Header data is the data which is applicable to all the line items in sales document. Header data is the data which is applicable to all the line items in sales document. Header data is the data which is applicable to all the line items in sales document. Header data is the data which is applicable to all the line items in sales document. The source of header data is customer master. Header data will be copied from customer master. The source of header data is customer master. When you create order, you will get some data from customer master. So that is header data. So customer master, some part of configuration data, some part of control data, so source of header data is what? Customer master, some part of configuration data, some part of control data. Header data will be controlled by sales document types. Header data will be controlled by sales document types. The table for header data is VBAK. The table for header data is VBAK. The table for header data is VBAK. Okay. Next, take this heading item data. It is the data which is applicable to particular line item in sales document. It is the data which is applicable to particular line item in sales document. It is the data which is applicable to particular line item in sales document. The source of item data is material master, CMIR, condition master, some part of configuration data, some part of control data. Okay. Item data will be controlled by item category. Item data will be controlled by. The source of item data is material master, CMIR, condition master. The source of item data is material master, CMIR, condition master. Some part of configuration data, some part of control data. Next, item data will be controlled by item category. Item data will be controlled by item category. The table for item data is VBAP. The table for item data is VBAP. 1 second. Okay. So schedule line data, take this schedule line data. Schedule line data is the data. Schedule line data is the data which consists of delivery dates and confirmed quantities. Schedule line data is the data which consists of delivery dates and confirmed quantities. Schedule line data is the data which consists of delivery dates and confirmed quantities. Schedule line data is the data which consists of delivery dates and confirmed quantities. The source of schedule line data is some part of configuration data. The source of schedule line data is some part of configuration data, some part of control data. Schedule line data is the data which consists of delivery dates and confirmed quantities. The source of schedule line data is some part of configuration data, some part of control data. Schedule line data will be controlled by schedule line category. Schedule line data will be controlled by schedule line category. Schedule line data will be controlled by schedule line category. The table for schedule line data is VBEP. The table for schedule line data is VBEP. The table for schedule line data is VBEP. So take this structure, take like this. Takes the structure. Over. Take like this.
One minute, sir.
Okay. Next, we have some other tables in sales document. Header table is VBAK, item table is VBAP, schedule and data table is VBP. So table for document flow, VBFA, sales document, partner functions, VBPA, business data, VBKD, uh, header status, VBUK, item status, VBUP. These are all the tables in sales document. Okay. Pricing table, KYNV, pricing structure, KYMV, okay. Pricing, header fields, structure, KYMK, pricing, item fields, structure, KYMP, so document flow table is VBFA, sales document partner functions VBPA, business data VBKD, header status VBUK, item status VBUP, pricing table KYNV, pricing structure KYMV, pricing header field structure KYMK, pricing item field structure KYMP. Over.
One second, sir. Mine is done.
Okay. So these are the tables in sales documents. Next, here if you go to sales order, 84 user 2, what is your or sales area? 84 user 2. or anyone, 84 user. Anyone tell me what is your sales area?
VM10, sir.
VM10 distribution channel.
91, sir.
Sorry,
91.
division.
91. Greater than 1, sir. No, sir. Greater than 1.
Okay. So mention your customer.
10025, sir. Okay. Waxi 2523.
బాగానే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాడు అందరూ.
Waxi 2523.
2830 BOT, sir. First one, sir.
830B. Okay. See, when you create sales order, this sales document divided into 3 parts: header data. So if you want to go to header data, then you have to click on this. This is header data. If you want to go to header data, click on this. Header details. Oh. So if you click on this, it will take you to header data. So here, this is header data. Here, maximum information will be from customer master and some information configuration data, some information control data. What is control data? We discuss next. When we go to document types, controls, inside document types, we have controls, so that is control data. I'll just show you this. So T code for sales document types, Vivo V8. What is your order type? OR. If you go inside OR, we discussed all these controls. So this is control data. The information which we have here, this is control data. Okay. So what is the source of header data? Main is customer master and some part of configuration data and some part of control data. So how to go to header data? Click on this symbol. So if you want to go to item data, then double click on this line item. If you want to go to item data, double click on this line item. Okay, this is item data. If you want to go to item data, double click on this line item. So this is item data. Okay. So this item data main is from material master, CMIR condition master, and some part of configuration data, some part of control data. And here item data will be controlled by what? Item category. Okay. Header data will be controlled by document type controls. Item data will be controlled by this item category. Item category also we have controls. So that controls will control the item data. Next, to go to schedule line data, first double click on line item and go to schedule lines. This one. First you have to double click on line item, then go to schedule lines. And schedule line data will be controlled by this schedule line category. Schedule line data will be controlled by this schedule line category. Schedule line category. Okay. So this is about the structure. Okay. Now take this sales document types.
గూగుల్ ఉంది టచ్ చేసుకో.
T code, Vivo V8. So inquiry, inquiry, what is the document type? IN. And what is the T code inquiry? V11. Quotation, QT, VA21. Quotation document type is QT. Sales order, OR, VA01. Rush order, RO, VA01. Cash sales, CS, VA01. Returns, RE, VA01. Credit memo request, CR, VA01. Debit memo request, DR, VA01. Invoice correction request, RK, VA01. Okay. Free of charge, FD, VA01. Subsequent delivery, free of charge, SDF, VA01. Consignment fill up, CF, VA01. Consignment issue, CI, VA01. Consignment returns, CYNR, VA01. Consignment pickup, CP, VA01. Quantity contract, QC, VA41. Value contract general, WK1, VA41. Value contract material specific, WK2, VA41. Scheduling agreement, DS, VA31. Item proposal, PV, VA51. So standard we have these 20 document types. How many? 20. Take this 20 document types. Inquiry, IN, V11, quotation QT, VA21, sales order, OR, VA01.
బెడ్షీట్ మీద ఏం గీయట్లే. నువ్వు గీసే పిల్లలు గీస్తారు.
We discussed inquiry, quotation, sales order. So we have to discuss other process. Oh. So take this rush order process. So rush order means immediate delivery order. Rush order means what? Immediate delivery order. So rush order process means if customer is asking delivery immediately, then we do rush order process, and we don't do for all customers. Only some important customers we do rush order process. Otherwise, every customer will ask for immediate delivery. We cannot do that. So this is not regular process. This will be applicable only for some A-class important customers. So if some important customers asking for immediate delivery, then we do rush order process. Process like this. Rush order, just now we discussed what is the document type for rush order. What is the document type for rush order? RO. T code VA01. Rush order. This is first step. So in rush order, system determines shipping conditions as 10 immediate. In rush order, system determines immediate shipping point. So in our case, what is the immediate shipping point? A102. And second step, system creates automatic delivery. When you create a rush order, system automatically creates delivery. And third step, go to change mode of delivery and do PGA. And fourth step, we create invoice. Take like this process. When you create rush order, system automatically creates delivery in the background. Then we go to change mode of delivery and do PGA. Then we create invoice. Over. So take some points. When you Is it over? Take points one by one.
Yes, sir.
When you create rush order, when you create rush order, system determines shipping conditions as 10. When you create rush order, system determines shipping conditions as 10. When you create rush order, system determines shipping conditions as 10. When you create rush order, system determines shipping conditions as 10. Next point, when you create rush order, system determines immediate shipping point. When you create rush order, system determines immediate shipping point. When you create rush order, system determines immediate shipping point. When you create rush order, system determines immediate shipping point. When you save rush order, system automatically creates. When you save rush order, system automatically creates delivery in the background. When you save rush order, system automatically creates delivery in the background. When you save rush order, system automatically creates delivery in the background. Okay. Next point, user will go to change mode of delivery and do PGI. User will go to change mode of delivery and do PGI. User will go to change mode of delivery and do PGI. Then user will create invoice with the reference to delivery. Then user will create invoice with reference to delivery. User will create invoice with reference to delivery. So this is the process. Let us do it in system. VA01, RO, enter, mention the customer number, PO number, mention here, quantity, enter. See here, if you go to header data, you will find shipping, go to shipping tab, you will get shipping conditions as 10. For rush order, you will get 10. For normal standard order, you will get from customer master. But here you will get automatically 10 rush order. See here, double click on this, go to shipping, you will get immediate shipping point. Here you will get immediate shipping point. Save it. It automatically creates delivery. So you will get message like this. Delivery created. You will get message. When you save rush order, you will get message like this. Then user will go to change mode of delivery. BL02N. Press enter. Do picking and PGA. What is your storage location?
M02. VM03, sir.
ऋषि हमें आइडिया
VM03. Enter the pick quantity and do PGA. Posting only possible in periods. You have to do MMPV. Every month you have to do MMPV. What is your company code?
VM10, sir.
Mention your company code, mention the date. Execute. Okay. User will go to change mode of delivery and do PGA, do picking and PGA. Then create invoice with the reference to delivery VF01, enter, save it. This is the process. The only change is when you create, here take RO, that is the only change. I'm doing once again RO, mention the customer, PO number, material, quantity. So go to header data, shipping tab, you will find shipping conditions as 10. And go to item data, double click on line item, go to shipping, you will get immediate shipping point. When you save rush order, delivery will be created automatically in the background. Go to change mode of delivery, VL02N, go inside, do picking and PGA. Then create invoice. So this is rush order process. Okay. Next, we'll see tomorrow.
ఇక్కడ
Cash sale process we'll discuss
ఏ రోడ్ అది
tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll continue this.
ऋषि वाला फोन
Cash sale process we'll see tomorrow. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue.
Thank you, sir.